Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. You join us in the brand new 2021 Nissan Armada. I'm going to kick on my air-conditioned seat. We are at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport because we just picked up Drew. And you guys know Drew. He, with Martian Wheels, he does all the videos with us, the Tesla stuff. But we're in a giant-ass V8 truck right now.
Yes, we are.
And you got rear climate back there?
Oh yeah, we got all the toys.
Awesome. So Drew just flew into Texas here, and Nissan was kind enough to say, hey, take the Armada over to pick up Drew. Good chauffeur vehicle.
Yeah.
Yep, for sure. So airport exit is where we need to go.
That is correct.
That is correct. So Timon and I have been at a Nissan event all day where we've been reviewing the 2022 model lineup of Nissans, and they also have some 2021s that are on sale for us to drive. So we are taking the Armada, and so we have the 5.6 V8 that we know and love, 400 horsepower, 400 and a bit pound-feet of torque, like 406, 410, only on premium fuel. So if you fill it with regular, it'll drive just fine. Which way are we going here, Timon? To the right. Welcome to airport life here in the Armada. This thing is body on frame, it's big, it's bulky, and I love it. Because it just drives like an old school truck, right? It's one of the last true, I'd say, solid vehicles that you can just kind of pound around. Timon, we've been driving the Toyota Land Cruiser quite a bit, which is going away for the North American market.
Absolute shame.
And yeah, it's a shame, but the Armada kind of has that same feeling where you're sitting on top of the frame. It's got that rugged four-wheel drivey.
Basically street legal tank.
It's a street legal tank. There you go. Drew, how's the back seat back there?
First couple minutes, very comfortable.
Very comfortable. Cool. The best part about the Armada is the engine noise. So let's.
Yee, brother.
Yeah, it moves pretty good, doesn't it? It sounds awesome, and gets this big beast up to some pretty good speeds. That is an intoxicating induction noise, I think. So, what are you doing over here, Timon?
I'm trying to make it easier for you, so you know where
so I can
go.
see where to go. Yeah. Me and directions not always great. Now we had to pick up this little slip to get in here, so we'll use that to get out, of course. What is there to say about the Armada? We have a big video that we went on we did a full review of it on Out of Spec Reviews. Actually, one of our best performing videos of all time is on the new Armada. A lot of people interested.
How about that?
Yeah, and I got to say, I totally get it. There's really not much else you can drive that's like this. The new Tahoe's gotten real soft.
Yeah.
Nothing like this at all. This is way more rugged than even like a...
yeah, the Tahoe, Escalade, and that whole group kind of just aimed more towards luxury and just being meh on the road.
I feel like I could just point this up a mountain, floor it, and it'll just climb its way
Yeah,
out.
exactly.
Yeah, you kind of, and it gives you a good feeling driving around in traffic. You kind of just feel like you're bigger and better than everyone. Now here, we're arriving to a toll booth. Where do I need to go to credit?
Yes.
Okay, so let's just not, I mean, I guess we could just push everyone out of the way.
Street legal tank.
That's right, street legal tank. Let's test that. Over to credit.
So does this have all your off-road modes and?
Yeah, it's got 4 high, 4
Okay.
low, all the good stuff. Credit. This is us. Now, pause the video real quick, and then we'll come back to filming here in a second.
What's up, fat? Gate closes?
All right, foot down.
CX-30.
That is fun, that you can just do stuff like that. And we're just going to take out a freaking Sienna on the way.
Across the hallway.
Yeah, taxi, of course. Yeah, gotta love that engine noise and acceleration. I mean, the performance here is awesome.
It fits the car.
Fits the car perfectly, doesn't it? We should have gone over there, perhaps. Maybe not. I don't think so.
No, you're good.
It's the worst car review anyone's ever watched. But we've already reviewed this. I don't know what else there is to say. It's a fantastically comfortable cruiser. Like, it's soaking up these terrible Dallas roads. You would think that such a warm city would have great roads. We have
Complete
learned
opposite. It's like
total
New Jersey.
trash. Yeah, trash roads. Yeah, how do people in Texas drive these like 1,000 horsepower right off the ground street
Floor it
racer.
everywhere so the front end lifts up a little
Yes,
bit.
because it's crazy. But the Armada kind of feels like the perfect car to get around this urban jungle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice and comfortable. Just squeeze your way through traffic. And look, if you're interested to learn more about this vehicle, watch our full review. We go through the sizing, space. What are you pointing at?
You gotta go left 2 lanes.
Left 2 lanes. Oh, that won't be a problem. Okay. Wow, it's super duper comfortable. Now, we did not drive this particular trim of Armada. We drove a Nightshade, which was an SL Nightshade, I believe.
I think so.
There's just the one down from this. And this is the Platinum, which gives nicer seats, air-conditioned seats, heated steering wheel.
Did Nightshade have CarPlay?
Nightshade had CarPlay. Yep. Yeah, totally agree. And I think it is standard, Drew. CarPlay standard. So, yeah, Platinum gives you some extra wood stuff, but honestly, it doesn't feel really any different. I think the heated steering wheel was the one thing that you gain with the Platinum that the SL Nightshade didn't have that I wanted.
Worth it in Colorado, not worth it here.
Yeah, I think you don't need the maxed out one. The one that we had felt really nice as is. Drives the same, of course. Overall, this is one of the best values in the full-size SUV space. Tons of truck, really good styling for 2021.
Yeah.
The new headlights look awesome. Great driving dynamics, plenty of room for the family, and it gives you this sort of nice, older school vibe of driving, right? It's one of the last true workhorses on the road, especially now that the Land Cruiser is going away. So there's a quick 7-minute impression. I'll say I like the Armada, and I would totally go for one if I needed a big-ass truck to tow stuff around. What do you think?
Yeah. If I needed a full-size SUV, like, this is something my parents would have bought back when we road trip to Colorado every year, because it can fit 7 people easily. We always took my grandparents with us. So if the Yukon XL wasn't a thing, then they probably would have bought this. And it would fit them very well, because my mom likes to put her foot down.
Yeah, she does rip. And Drew, how's the backseat room, and in terms of comfort and air conditioning vents you can test as well?
Yeah, air conditioning vents. I got screens back here. Looks like you can, pop these headphones on.
I don't think the one we had screens in the headrests.
Okay.
Yeah, it did not.
That's a Platinum thing.
Yeah, from back here it feels like a very nice limo.
Nice. So good review. Very nice limo. Nissan Armada. Good for airport runs, as we've learned.
A limo tank.
And we're off for more adventures, so stay tuned.